Come on in, take a picture. Let's do our little
1, 2, 3.
I'm just trying to figure out where all 4 of them go.
Put your traveler up here, put your hot down here, put your other black over here, and your copper
Oh, so the
right
2 blacks have to go on each side?
here. Yeah, copper or black or
and the
your
white
hot
one's
black.
not getting put in, right?
The white ones get tied up and put back.
Junior, how are you doing, sir?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing good, bro. Last week?
Good. Like, what about?
It's last week.
Oh, yeah, it is the last week. I thought you were asking about last week. I was like, yeah, I don't really remember what we did. Yeah, it is the last week. I'm hyped. We got 5 more days.
Yeah, so how you feeling, man? Like, this is literally the last Monday of school.
Pretty good. Not gonna cap that. 6 months went by pretty fast. And to think we get moved out on Thursday, got 4 more days left. Pretty hyped for it.
Yeah.
It is the last week. Say it again.
What are you guys working on today?
We have to finish the smoke detectors. I think Austin's grouting in there. And then baseboard, like the trim and stuff around it. That's about it.
Yeah. Junior, so talk to me with regards to, like, you know, it's crunch time. Like, you guys need to get stuff done by Thursday, bro.
Yeah, holding up 4s. This is the 4th quarter. You gotta push that. You gotta finish strong. You know what I'm saying? I'm just putting the smoke detector right now. The smoke detector is a little bit easier because you just put the wires and then you just plug this in. I don't want your thing burning down. I'm not sure if this has to go on it though. Put your traveler up here, put your hot down here, put your other black over here, and your copper
Oh, so the
right
2 blacks have to go on each side?
Yeah, copper or black or
and the
your
white
hot
one's
black.
not getting put in, right?
The white ones get tied up. So I'd put the red up here and hot on the black. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, we have one in the hallway and then one in the bedroom.
That's pretty cool that for a tiny home, such a small space, right? But there's still 2 smoke detectors, right?
Yeah, 100%. Especially because the hallway, that's where they connect together. So closer to the other one as well. And one in your bedroom, obviously.
Awesome. So what are you doing here, bro?
I am grouting the tile. So we put it up with a mastic, and then we let it cure, and then now we're putting in the grout. We're coming in every direction, trying to make sure that it's in every single line. And then we're gonna go over it with a wet sponge, take the excess off. But this is what makes it look pretty. This is what makes it look nice at the very end, is getting those grout lines nice and clean and packed in right.
I mean, what do you say to me or most people when you get the reaction I just gave you, where it's like, wow, I never knew that that's how the grout gets in there, like that's how you did it?
Yeah, it's just a process, just like anything else. Is just learning the correct tool and the right method to put it in there, and then cleaning it off right. This is the finishing stuff that I really enjoy, because this is what makes everything look nice. Kind of like rough carpentry to trim carpentry. This is what makes everything look really nice, and gives that finishing product that the homeowner really likes. Is finishing it off like this. So before it dries, I just come in and I push it in there.
How long do you have before it dries?
Well, it's workable for a little while. I'd have to read the bag for the 100% cure time, but it is time sensitive. You do not want to give this too much time for it to harden up too much. So when you come in here, you got to rinse this off in the water, get rid of all the excess.
So with the grout, basically, you have to act fast.
Yeah. I've had other people talk to me this morning, this, that, and the other, and I'm like, not now. I got to work on this. This is time sensitive. And then I'm working this like, let's see if I can get you in on like maybe this line here. See how that's fat there? I'm just gonna rub that in until I like the way that it looks. See how it sets in there nice now?
Yeah.
And so then I'll leave that and I won't push hard there anymore. And then I'll come back down here, get rid of that heavy line. Get in these corners. And then every time that I do this, I'm going to come back into my clean water and get rid of the excess. And you can see that it's getting lighter and lighter every time that I do it. Any imperfections that I find, I scrape those off real quick. Like right there was a little bit of mastic that I had not seen before. It's a little bit harder because that mastic is white and the tile's white, so it's hard to see sometimes where it's at. But that's it. That's nothing more to it, really. We'll keep rubbing it down until it comes completely clean. Give it some time to cure. Move on to the next section. But it's really important that you go in different directions because you want that to be worked in 100%. Like this down here, you can see I haven't got to this section yet, but that isn't 100% grouted right there. So I'm going to go back in and work this bottom real quick. But I've almost got this tile white. I'll check the lines real quick and then move on to the next section. Nothing to it but to do it.
It'd be hot up in there, especially with the AC not working today.
Whatever you put down there, just make sure you keep track of what space it's in.
Okay.
I would move these two up one because that would be your top one and your second one. Do you see that?
Yeah, well, for sure.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, just keep track so I know so that when we come put those stickers on, or you know, so you can put those stickers on.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect.
Yep.
Austin's gonna have no light in it.
What's going on here, Junior?
I'm just getting ready to make up this box, make these wires look all nice. Austin's not gonna have light in there.
Use box, right, for the whole house?
Yep. Electrical box. If you want me to do this box, you're about to have no light. This is the sink vanity with the mirror and stuff above it. Say it again.
This is so this is the vanity, and it's gonna go where?
It's going right in the corner with a 24-inch mirror above it. Yeah, that sink I took out earlier. I'm gonna slap the sink right on it, just like
Oh yeah, you can definitely issue it.
countertop. Caulk around it and stuff. There'll be a mirror, 24-inch mirror right here. Below the light.
Yeah, I'm just outlining this spout for the sink so I can cut it out. The hole builds it out. Same with these hot and cold lines right here.
As well as the drain, right?
Yeah, the hot and cold lines, yeah. Hot, cold lines with the drain and stuff. So I just took that, I pushed the vanity where it's supposed to go, and then I just, where these pipes hit the back of the vanity, just traced them out, and now I'm going to just take the whole dozer to it. Like where my circles are. Go like a ½ inch bigger, just in case you can have some wiggle room. I mean, I could do this small.
You gotta take a look at your water lines because they have a connection at the end that are bigger than those brass lines. You probably have to fit that through there too.
You think this would be alright?
Oh yeah, that's probably. Is that the smallest one you have?
Yeah.
That's probably a little too big, honestly. You should grab those 2 water lines in the storage unit.
Okay.
Okay.
Water lines, I don't know what I'm looking for, to be honest.
What you got, man?
I just got my oscillating tool because these I don't have the right size hole dozers, so this I can make a better cut with.
All right, brother. So this is the moment of truth where you push it back and
Yes,
it fits
sir.
right into the tubing, right?
Hopefully. Let's.
Let's go, Junior.
Okay, so I need to move it a little bit. I just gotta take off a little piece on the hot water side.
Did you get that closet rod thing?
The rod.
What do you do when you're just like, wow, you know, we got to finish this up by Thursday? Really, honestly, Wednesday.
Yeah.
You guys move them out on Thursday.
Yeah.
What do you do to focus, man, just to keep on going when you have so many moving parts that have to be tended to?
You just keep your head straight. You focus on the task at hand. Like right now, I'm working on the vanity. I'll make sure that vanity gets done. Austin, he's working on the grout. He's gonna make sure that grout gets done. As long as you and your partner are working well at hand, you should get it done by Wednesday.
Very cool. And how do you feel about, you know, all the pieces coming together the way they
Yeah,
are?
it looks nice. Especially we just built the one that you're gonna connect before this one.
Yeah.
I can like tell how they're going apart now. Like, yeah.
Okay. What's one thing you want to tell all the kiddos out there with regards to, like, you know, handling multiple pieces all at the same time and make sure it all gets done?
I mean, don't overload yourself, but yeah, if you focus at the task at hand, you can get stuff done. Like.